my name's Dave. Today we're placing an inner tube on a tyre. Run your tyre lever around the rim. Then remove the old tube. The new tube. Take the valve cap off and the locating ring. Undo the top of the valve. It being a Presto valve, fine. Put it in. Blow it up a little so the tube doesn't catch against the rim. Get here. That should be enough. Then the fiddly bit. Blowing out too much. Once you've got the tube inside the rim, reseat the tyre. The last bit is always the most difficult to get on. If you can't do it by hand, actually it's gone by hand, you can use your tyre lever. Come up around here now. Then, once it's on, you should be able to pump it up. Right, hard enough. Screw up the valve. Put back the seating ring.
Down a drain.
And then put your valve cap on. Come on, repair tyre.